Hi babes, it's me, Shannon for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And guess what? It's Sephora haul time. That's right. I'm going to rip this box open and show you all the little goodies I got inside. Stay here. BrownGirlBella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. For all those returning, welcome on back to the show, to the Bella Brigade. Happy to have you back with us. So, about this box, I'm excited. I'm really excited because there's some things in here that when I saw it on Sephora's website, I was like, oh yeah, gotta have that. Gotta have that. In case you don't know, it's a certain person's birthday coming up soon. That's right, Friday, September 17th. Your girl turns 1 year seasoned. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but I do know I plan to spend some time with my babes. So stay tuned for more on that. But first, let's chop into this box, shall we? And not only do I have this box for you, I also have a bonus box from an event that I went to a couple of weeks ago. They sent me out some gifts because I participated in this event. So I'm going to show you that as well in just one moment. But first, let's look at the things that I purchased. So, diving on in. The first thing is, and it's right on top so I can share it with you. So I got some samples. I got the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I already have this, so I actually got this sample for my babes. I love sharing some things that I'm really passionate about and that I love. So this is going into a future giveaway for my babes. So I picked that up just for you. The second one is from Glow Recipe. This is their Plum Pumped. I love that. Hyaluronic Serum. It is intensely hydrating. It's made from plum extracts and it's really good. I finished the bottle that I had, so when I saw this I was like, oh yeah, reminder to get some more. Not in this box, but in another future one. And then, just because I cannot resist having a little luxe, right? Everybody wants a little luxe in their life. Sephora Favorites came out with this box called the Luxe Box. I don't know if they're still doing their beauty boxes that they used to do. I stopped subscribing from that a long time ago because I was just getting the same samples over and over again. So when I saw this, I was like, I'm a little intrigued. So let's open it up. It opens like this. And it says, luxury is a must. Luxury is a must. I love that. I'm going to have to use that in a saying. Luxury is a must. Alright, so here are the Luxe Brands that I received. I received from Tatcha the Deep Cleanse. Love it. That's also going in a future giveaway for my babes. I actually got most of the stuff for you guys because I don't need this stuff. But Christopher Robin, great hair care product line. This is one of their hair masks. So again, for my babes. This one is Augustus Batter. It's a rich cream. I actually want to try this, so I might keep this one just because I love trying new creams out. And I've never heard of this brand, so I really do want to try it. So I'll try it and let you babes know how it works, or if it works. Then by Guerlain Paris, we have L'Or, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is an Essence d'Eclat. It's a base tint. And I actually had a card from them to get a full sample, a full bottle. Don't know where I put that, but when I saw this, I was like, okay, good. At least I can try it and see if I like it. So I will try this out. It's made with pure gold, and it is a makeup base. So I definitely will try this out, probably for my birthday, because for my birthday, I usually do like a Luxe glam, and I go all out, like glam skincare, glam makeup, everything. So I probably will do that again this year. Here's another sample that I got from Jo Malone, English Pear and Freesia. I love their scents, and I have a lot of them, both in this size, the larger size, and then the big bottles. So definitely will be using that. And then lastly, I got this little baby from Yves Saint Laurent, and it's in that typical dusty rose shade that they think is universally flattering to everyone. I may agree or disagree with that, but that is everything that I got in the Luxe box. So I'm happy. I'm happy with it. At least I got some stuff for my babes, and I got some stuff for me, so we should both be happy. All right, let's dive into what else I got. I got another deep cleanse. So I don't know why I bought two, but I did. So definitely both are going into a giveaway, so maybe I can do two. I also got the new lip color from Tom Ford. At least I think it's new. I've never seen it before, but I saw the color and I was like, I must have this. It kind of reminds me of this a little bit. It's called Black Dahlia. Oh my god, that is so bomb. Let's do a little swatch. I'll roll it down so it doesn't. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It's like a plum wine-ish color. I love this color for fall. It just gives me all the fall vibes. So definitely will be wearing this, maybe for my birthday, maybe not, who knows? We'll find out. But love this. It's called Black Dahlia. If you want to get it, I would suggest you go on Tom Ford's website to get it, because when I bought this one, there were only a few left, and then I went back to see if it was still available, and it's not any longer. So hopefully it'll come back soon on Sephora, but definitely if you're interested, check on Tom Ford's website. Lastly, I got a couple of just like little $100 gift things. From Kiehl's, they have the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. So I definitely wanted to try this. So I will let you know how this works in a subsequent Get Ready With Me skincare edition, which will be coming soon. I also got the Rice Wash by Tatcha. I love this product. This is one of my faves, and I told my members that I'm going to be doing a members only live soon with like my favorites kind of thrown in there, and an opportunity for my members to win prizes of my favorite gifts. So this is going into that along with one of those deep cleanses. So it's a chance for everyone to have something of mine that I consider a favorite for the summer. So definitely look out for that. And then lastly, from Ilia, this Fullest Volumizing Mascara, which is supposed to thicken, add drama and intensity to your eyes. So definitely want to try this. You guys know I'm all about lips, lashes, and luxury here, and this is a brand I wanted to try. So definitely will try that and let you know. So that was everything that was in my box from Sephora. Now let's go into my box that I got for participating in a virtual online event. The event was with Glow Recipe, which I love. You guys know that I love their products. I have several of them in my skincare routine, and this one was one that I really wanted to try. It's one of their newest products. It's the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Facial. It's supposed to tighten your pores, refine your pores, and exfoliate your pores. So it is non-drying. It's available for all skin types, so you can use it even if you are dry, normal, or oily. I am combination. So I will use this and I'll let you know what it feels like. But I definitely wanted to try that. So I'm glad that they included a full size in the box. Then they also gave me, which is another one of my faves, this is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I have a full size of this that I've been using. I ran out and then I ordered another one. So this toner I ran out of, and then I restocked. So then this came. So I'm gonna actually include this in a giveaway as well. So you got some things here. And then finally, they put it all together with this cute little tote that I think is really, really special. It says, I love #Sephora events. Oh my gosh, so cute. So that was really nice of them to include the bag along with the full size of the hyaluronic clay and the sample size of the toner, which I will put in my giveaway. I've got a lot of stuff on my giveaways. I got a lot of stuff. So I am super excited. When I get to 3,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now is your time. And don't forget, when you subscribe, to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. Until next time, my babes, you have now been bellified. Take over, I'm so